welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Megan, just in case you don't know me already, and I'm back with another exciting video. So in today's video, just in case you couldn't tell by the title down below, I bought more makeup, so I'm going to be testing it out for you. So I bought the Poppin picks, which is Mikayla Nogueira'S. You know Mikayla from TikTok. It's her little bundle. She handpicked some of her favourite Colourpop makeup and put them all in this bundle, and I bought the bundle. And like a lot of people, anything that she recommends, I want. I've got to try. She tests out loads and loads of Colourpop, so if these are some of her favourites, I want to try them out. And if you do enjoy my video, make sure you hit the like button down below and stick around, hit subscribe, and let's just test some makeup. So the bundle does cost £43, and in it you get, I got this little card, but I do believe I was supposed to get a Poppin Pics card that was signed by Mikayla, but I didn't get this. I got this like thanks a latte kind of Colourpop card. Kind of a bit gutted I didn't get something signed by her, but never mind. So you get the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Flexitarian. You also get the Sweet Talk Pressed Powder palette. You get some Falsies in the style Minx. Lippie Pencil in the shade BFF. And the final thing that you get is the So Juicy Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Show Off. So I'm going to start off with the highlighter in the shade Flexitarian. This is my first Colourpop highlighter and I'm so excited. That's what it looks like. It looks absolutely beautiful. It looks so stunning. I want to give it a little swatch before I put it on my face. So that's just like one swipe. Like, look how stunning that looks. Is that not the most beautiful highlighter you've ever seen? And I'm so excited to put this on my face. I'm just going to take the PC17 Peaches and Cream brush. And I'm just going to try it with a brush first. And let's see how it goes. Beautiful. Look at that highlighter. Really hoping it's going to pick up on camera because that is so beautiful. It's such a beautiful shade. I love it. I feel like it really complements like my skin tone. I'm going to try with a sponge because my friend Lizzie always uses a sponge with her Colourpop highlighters and it looks stunning. I'll leave her channel link down below. Oh yeah. What? You can see the difference between brush and a sponge. I definitely went a little bit crazy with the application on the sponge. I was not expecting that kind of highlight. Look at it. It's beautiful. There's a lot of it. Very aware of that. There's a lot of it. This was a great recommendation. I feel like this is going to be like my new everyday favourite highlighter. I'm so excited to use it more because it is just beautiful. And I really like it on my skin tone. I'm really happy. So I've not actually got any blusher on at the minute, so I'm going to take the Colourpop and Animal Crossing, the Flower Tender blush, and that's what the blusher looks like. I kind of thought it was going to be a bit more peachy. It's certainly pink. You didn't get this in the bundle, but I got it with my order and I've not put any blusher on yet, so I thought I'd give it a go. You know what? I really like that blusher. That's really nice. I'm such a big fan of Animal Crossing as well, so I had to pick up the blushes. I didn't pick everything else up, but I just picked up the blushes. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my eyes. So in the bundle, you got the Sweet Talk palette. This packaging is just beautiful. Like, it's actually stunning. And then this is what the palette looks like. It looks beautiful. It looks so stunning. Like, look at it. So I've just swatched all of the mattes on the back of my hand. I like to swatch all the mattes and then all the shimmers together so we can see like what kind of colour combinations we can use. I absolutely love them. They swatched really, really nice. Let's swatch some shimmers. And there's 3 shimmers and 2 pressed glitters. And the pressed glitters swatched so smooth. And look, this shade's beautiful. Do you know what? They're all beautiful. This is such a beautiful palette. I can totally understand how it can be a favourite and like a bestseller on Colourpop. So yeah, let's just put it on my eyes. I just cannot wait. I just want it on my eyes. So I'm going to start off with the shade ICMI, which is this one down here. I think that means in case you missed it. I'm not sure. I'm not cool. I think that's what it means though. And I'm going to take that on my M506 and I just want to run that through my crease. And I'm not worried about blending right now. I just want to get everything in place. And I'm just very lightly starting to buff that shade a little bit just so that there's no harsh lines. Next I want to take this shade here called Dream Maker and I just want to start to diffuse this out, start to blend it a little bit. Next I want to take this shade here, this is called Catch Me, and I'm just going to blend it out even further. So those shades are blended out so beautiful. I just want to really intensify everything up now. And I'm just going to be taking all the shades that I've just used just to build them all up. So those colours really built up, really nice. I'm really impressed with how well they built up and blended, and it was just so easy to work with. It was really easy to blend. So now I'm going to take the shade Feel Free, which is this one right here, and I just want to deepen things up just a little bit more. Now I'm going to go back into this shade and blend it out even further. I'm going to put the exact same shades on my lower lash line. So this is what my eye is looking like. Those shades have just blended so beautiful. I'm going to take a little bit of the NYX glitter primer and I'm just going to put it on the centre of my lid. I don't think this is necessary, just in case you do actually want to recreate this look. I don't think this is actually a necessary step. You could just go on without the NYX glitter primer, but I don't know. I've decided to go in with it. Now I'm going to take the shade Garden Date, this one right there, and that's kind of going in the middle, but not bang in the middle, I don't think. It's going somewhere in the middle. Wow, this shade's beautiful. Oh my gosh, this shade's beautiful. I haven't wet my brush or anything. This is just, it's just going on. Wow. I'm just gonna use my finger. It's just beautiful. I think I want to take a little bit of glitter as well. So I'm going to take this glitter here called Prima Drama. It just looks so beautiful. Both the glitters look really beautiful. I just want to take this one. I'm going to take a little tiny bit at a time just because I don't want glitter all over my face. But I am expecting it. I'm going to take a little bit with my finger, just a tiny bit, and just pack it on that way. So I do just want to brighten up like this bottom bit, like in a corner bit. I'm sure I've seen a look that Mikayla did where she just did like a kind of halo eye and then put a little pop of gold at the bottom. Or I'll try and put a photo of her look up. I feel like she was using the Head in the Clouds palette by Mitchell. I could be wrong. So I'm going to take the shade Melody. I might end up going in with the other glitter if this doesn't like give me the that I want. So I'm going to take a little bit of the shade side to side, just a tiny bit, just for my brow bone. I do only want a tiny bit because I think it's going to be a little bit too chunky for what I want. Yeah, too chunky. I'm going to take the highlighter instead, the Flexitarian highlighter. Perfect. So before I do the other eye and apply the falsies, I'm just going to do my lips and then I'll just do the rest of it off camera. So in the bundle you also get a Lippie Pencil and that is in the shade BFF and that is a swatch right there. I absolutely love these lip liners from Colourpop. So this is what the Lippie Pencil looks like on. I'm obsessed with this colour, I absolutely love it. So you also get one of the So Juicy Plumping lip glosses and that's what it swatched like there. It's just like a brown gloss and it's plumping, so let's give this a go. So this is my first So Juicy Plumping lip gloss and I love it. The formula is so nice, you can definitely feel it tinging just a little bit but not painful or anything. This is a really nice lip combination, I have to say. I'm impressed. And finally you get some falsies in Minx and this is what they look like. So I'm just going to hop off camera, I'm going to do my other eye, put on the falsies and I'll be right back to show you my finished look. So this is my finished look. Let me know down below what you think of my look. I'm obsessed with this look and these products that I've tried today. There isn't like a single thing that I don't like. This highlighter I'm going to use so much, but I absolutely love the eyeshadow palette. The eyelashes look really, really great. I definitely think Mikayla picked out some really great products and I'm so glad that I picked it up because it hasn't disappointed and I love it. I absolutely love everything. I'm definitely going to be using the highlighter like so much. It was absolutely beautiful and I really like it on my skin. I just don't have anything bad to say. All amazing products. Thank you so much for watching my video today and make sure you hit the like button down below if you did enjoy this video and let me know down below what is your favourite Colourpop product because I definitely want to try a few more bits from Colourpop. Kind of have 5 favourites right now that I cannot pick between. If I absolutely had to, probably the Flexitarian highlighter because that was just amazing. And I love it if you stick around, hit subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!